We are in an underground cave system at ALUX Restaurant in Playa del Carmen. This is all underground. It's a restaurant, and this place is amazing. So this part back here doesn't even seat people, but there are a ton of little private cave dining areas, and they have everything lit up so beautifully. There's a little altar to the ALUX that inhabit the cave. Look at the stalagmites. Watch your head. Super hot back here. Private dining areas that are not in use.
I think we're back in the main part.
There's a large circle that you can walk through.
In a cave!
Good pictures? Figure out their check process.